In this procedure, we will be replacing the mechanism on a theater seating manual recliner. The tools required for this procedure are 1 to 2 people depending on the task, an electric drill, an appropriate drive bit, a socket adapter bit, a drill bit extension, a 10mm socket, a 7/16" socket, and a cutting tool. First, pull the lever to extend the footrest to its fully extended position. Then, raise the back flap of the seat to expose the backrest latches. Utilizing another person, pull the tabs on the latches out on both sides of the seat cushion while lifting the back cushion up and off from the seat. Place the back cushion aside on a clean surface for reinstallation. Then flip the seat upside down. Next, remove the 4 bolts holding the mechanism base to the footrest kick plate. There are 2 on each side. Then remove the 4 nuts holding the mechanism base to the seat, 2 on each side. Sometimes the seat frame is made of wood and you will need to remove the screws instead. After that, lift the base mechanism up and on its side. Remove the lever cable clip from the base mechanism by pinching on both sides of the clip. Then remove the spring from latch and set base mechanism aside. Then you can place the new mechanism base upside down with the footrest retracted on the seat. Install previously removed nuts or screws holding the mechanism base to the seat. Cut the zip tie holding the footrest in the retracted position. Then pull the lever to extend the footrest. If equipped, remove the footrest stabilizer from the original mechanism and install on the new mechanism. Now install the 4 bolts, 2 on each side, holding the footrest kick plate to the mechanism base. Next, slide the lever cable spring into the latch and push the clip into the side of the mechanism. Now you can flip the seat right side up to install the backrest, and then slide the back cushion down into the seat latches until they click into place. And finally, hook and loop the back flap closed.